nothing better to do on a Saturday than to watch your trees get cleaned by an expert. Here's before, during, and after. This team is awesome. We really love these guys. They show up on time. They do amazing work. The guys just amazing skills. And then when he's done trimming it all up, and we usually leave 5, 6 fronds on top, he goes through the bottom and pulls out the old layers and cleans them up so they look like that. See how high and tight that is? And see all the loose stuff and the debris there? That's the old stuff that's dying. He continues, it's a maintenance item. He'll continue just to pull those off. Some of them come off during the cutting process, but when he's done, what he'll do is he'll go through and pull out the loose ones and make sure that it looks nice and high and tight. He secured up there. He started over there and then he jumped over to this tree. So here he goes. See how he's pulling all that stuff out? That's the maintenance stuff. A good arborist will pull that stuff out there so it's nice and manicured up top. And this is what I like about these guys is they do great work. They take pride in what they do. Like this tree after he leaves is going to be like his signature, his business card for other people to see. We continue to refer people to him. And I just love this guy. His name is Anthony. All right, this is Rick Borden from Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona, 85254. We are doing some maintenance out here at the farm. This is awesome. Take care. Wave! Yeah, there he is. That's my buddy.